Hello, this is Robert from Beyond 20. Today we're in Cherwell version 7, and we're going to demo the incident escalation procedures that have been added into the out-of-box content of version 7. So to go ahead and get started, I'm going to create a new ticket here. I can just do that through the dashboard button, and we'll just fill out some of the necessary details in here just for us to show this real quick. We're also going to need to specify the classification of the ticket. I'll go ahead and save this. And so you'll take a look here on the task pane on the left hand side under Incident Actions. Now if you don't see your task pane just yet, scroll over to the left, and you may have to click the pin button to keep that up on the screen at all times. But to go ahead and escalate this ticket, we're going to click the one-step escalation to level 2 and 3. Now it's going to prompt for a reason. Now this is going to be visible to the second level escalation team on a task that's going to be created for them. So this is a note. We want to have some useful information sent over to level 2 regarding why this is being escalated. So we're going to go ahead and click OK after filling out the reason. And if we take a look at the bottom here, we have a task that's been created. It's been assigned to second level support. Now that's just built in for demo purposes. We can go ahead and change the team that's the second level support based off of this ticket's classification. I'll show that momentarily. But if we take a look in the description, we'll see the information that the level 1 technician sent in for the escalation request. Now let's say that, so this still has not been completed yet, but it's actually not going to be a level 2, it's going to really be a level 3 escalation. There's a few other options we have here. If we scroll down under the I want tos, we can escalate this to level 3, or we can click the same one step here on the left, and Cherwell recognizes that it has completed the level 2 escalation and we're now in a level 3 escalation. This is going to create an additional task assigned to the level 3 support team. So this is also defined on the service itself. You take a look, this is the level 3 escalation. Now if I try to click the one step again, it Cherwell already knows that level 2 and 3 escalation has been taken care of on the ticket. So any additional escalation should be done through the new task button here on the bottom left. If we need to engage in any additional teams to assist on this ticket. So we'll go ahead and take a look at the service itself and find out how these teams are actually built into the escalation procedure. So if we go ahead and search on the service, and we're actually going to find this information on the subcategory tab, because once we're on the subcategory, we've actually fully classified the ticket. So this is going to be what drives the level 2 and 3 escalation teams. So if I didn't want this to go to level 3 for the last level, this actually needs to go to IT management. We would go ahead and make that change here on the subcategory tab for that web service. So now anytime I have a ticket that's classified as the web service and the category is internet, the subcategory is request new page or site, you'll see here on the right hand side that the last level of escalation is actually to IT management. So this might be useful if the service desk is level 1 and 2, and if the request goes beyond what level 1 and 2 and basically the service desk is able to do, we can escalate this ticket for management to review it automatically. So that's it on the new feature here in the out-of-box 7 content. It's great to see this in here. We often get this request from a lot of our customers, so it's nice to see that this made it into the default out-of-box content in version 7. Once again, this was Robert with Beyond 20. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our other YouTube videos for other Cherwell tips and tricks.